Alright, YouTube, let's do it. Today, we're going to be creating a no-dig sheet mulch garden bed right here over some Georgia red clay. But before we get started, let me show you what we got growing so far. Right here in the middle, I got a mix of annuals, perennials, and some herbs. At least some dill for sure. I'm also using some of these natural vines you see to cover up the fence lining to keep my dog out as well. This first grow bag has some red skin potatoes and some Swiss chard you see there poking up. The potatoes haven't quite popped up yet though. Here we got some perennials popping out, little babies. Also got some basil growing and some bell peppers. And then you'll see along the edges, I believe that's radish right there. Not carrots, it might be carrots, but I know I have some scallions and radishes in this bin. And then that little flower there, I believe is a marigold. Excuse me, marigold. Lush green, so beautiful. And here, speaking of lush green, some more red potatoes, but these are a lot taller. Just look at that. Beautiful. I've really grown to love this plant. Something about the leaves just kind of called to me. Here we got a couple more of those vines we're going to be training towards the fence. See right here. Next up are cherry tomatoes. Coming in nice as well. Probably going to pluck these in about 2 days. I'll do a little harvest video of that as well. This will actually be my first tomato harvest, so looking forward to that. Look. Ooh. And this big boy, the beef stick, coming in nice as well. Some more basil, marigolds, and I think a dill's in there as well. Got some jalapenos, and then my bell peppers you finna see in the back. My bell peppers though, they keep dropping off, so if you got any advice on that, let me know down in the comments. Some more radishes. And I think that's a alyssum next to it as well. Marigold. And here are some carrots. And these right here are a variety of beans. This is my pea, but the heat's been beating his ass. The rest of these though, black beans, pinto, and garden beans. And I'm using fishing line as a trellis for now. And bamboo as well. I may upgrade it later, but it's doing for now. Alright, so this is a little quick garden tour I wanted to clip out of the main video we got going up as well. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.